Hello, and welcome to your new AvCount Lite SA1800-2 particle counter. This video shows you how to unbox and check your instrument. Firstly, remove your instrument, the packing list, and all the accessories from the box. Check the packing list against all the items you have laid out on the table. You have the main instrument, sample probe, waste tube with connectors, a USB lead, the quick start guide, 2 rolls of printer paper, one of which is already fitted in the instrument, a bottle support, a sample and a waste bottle, a unique USB memory stick that has a serial number printed on it that matches with the instrument serial number. The USB stick also contains all relevant software and user manuals. Power adapter and mains lead specific to the country of use. The instrument comes supplied with the certificate of calibration and verification. Check that the serial number on the instrument matches the serial number on the USB stick. Also ensure it is the correct number on the certificate of calibration and the result printout. On the back of the instrument, you will find the power connection port. The USB connector, and the power selector switch, which is used to turn on and off the AvCount depending on either mains or the optional battery power source. To install a rechargeable battery, remove the thumb screws on the rear of the instrument. Remove the tray and insert the battery. Secure the battery using the strap and connect to the instrument. Place the tray back into the instrument and secure using the thumb screws. You are now ready to start using your AvCount Lite SA1800-2 particle counter.